Hi, today let's make Indian style apple pickle with Granny Smith apples and hing and black mustard seeds. I have three Granny Smith apples here. I'm going to cut them into small pieces and then we will add spices. Okay, let's start. I start by chopping my Granny Smith apples into smaller pieces. I have about four Granny Smith apples here. Then I season them with a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of paprika or chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'll give it a good mix. Make sure all the pieces are coated with these spices. And while I'm here, let me remind you to please like and subscribe my channel so that you can see all my videos. Heat up 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and when it's hot, add 2 teaspoons of red mustard seeds. Once the seeds pop, add half a teaspoon of hing and add this mixture to apple pieces. Mix everything so that all the pieces are coated with this delicious spice mix. Add lemon juice. I just add a teaspoon. You can add more if you like it more tart. Then add 2 more tablespoons of sesame oil. Mix everything and it is ready. Enjoy it as a side dish or a snack.